If you're watching this, you probably know that Highland Woodworking offers Sawstop table saws with their contact sensing blade brake system. It stops blade rotation within 5 milliseconds and drops the blade safely below the level of the table. This revolutionary technology has saved literally thousands of fingers since Sawstop introduced it in its first saw in 2004. Today, we're taking a detailed look at Sawstop's portable saw, the Jobsite PRO saw. The new Jobsite PRO saw introduces several improvements to an already excellent portable table saw. If you need to load your gear into a vehicle and take your tools where the work has to happen, the Jobsite Saw Pro might be a very good choice. If you're like a lot of us and your workshop is shared space in a garage, the Jobsite Saw Pro might be exactly what you need. With the same contact detecting safety feature as other Sawstop saws, this much more portable saw will let you do plenty of safe and accurate table saw work with a much smaller footprint. If you've already had your eye on a Jobsite Saw Pro, here's what's changed. They've redesigned the active dust collection blade guard. It was formerly sold separately, but now comes standard. The table depth has been increased by almost 2 inches. And there's a new quick change T-style rip fence with ergo lock. The low fence option sets up in seconds and makes cutting small or thin work pieces safer. The 10-inch diameter blade gives cut capacity comparable to a full-sized cabinet saw. Toolless removal and insertion of the throat plate, blade guard, and riving knife is a snap. Onboard storage always keeps parts and accessories close by. The arbor accommodates dado blades, and the miter slots in the table are standard sized, 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch, to accept the whole gamut of table saw accessories. Because the saw is fully integrated with its wheeled stand, it's always ready to go in seconds. With a small footprint when stored on end and ease of movement, the saw is nimble and easy to set up and put away. All these features come in a very easy to handle package. Just bolt on the wheels, bolt on the stand's handles, and you're ready to go. Just like they did with their first generation cabinet saws back in 2004, Sawstop has put together a portable table saw that's extremely high quality and with very well thought out details. And that's not even mentioning its industry-beating safety technology. Visit highlandwoodworking.com or come see us in person at Highland Woodworking store to find out more about Sawstop's Jobsite Saw Pro table saw. And thanks for watching.